Breaking news tonight. South Carolina Attorney General Alan Wilson says the state fetal heartbeat bill is now in effect.
This after the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade on Friday. The law bans abortions after the point at which a fetal heartbeat is detected.
There are a few exceptions allowing abortions in cases of rape or incest, as long as the fetus is fewer than 20 weeks along, and in cases in which an abortion is necessary to save the life of the mother. We'll have more reactions on the Supreme Court's ruling in just a few moments.